Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom token to Trust Wallet. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to add a custom token on your Trust Wallet app, then first open your Trust Wallet application from the app drawer by giving it a tap. Make sure that you're logged into your Trust Wallet account. And once you are, in order to add a token, simply tap on the filter icon at the top right hand corner from the main home page and enable any token that you'd like to add by tapping on the little toggle button right next to an asset. Once you are done, tap Done, and your tokens will be available on your main home page. If you'd want to manually add a token, in order to add a custom token manually to Trust Wallet, simply go and open up your web browser. And the best method to do this is by using your coinmarketcap.com website. You can also do this on CoinGecko, bscscan.com, and etherscan.io, but in today's video I'm going to use coinmarketcap.com. So go to the web address bar at the bottom and type in www.coinmarketcap.com and search. Once you end up in the official site of CoinMarketCap, go to the search icon at the top right and give it a tap. In the search box at the top, type in the name of the token you'd like to add. Today I'm gonna search for MetaPets. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to find the token right beneath in the search result. Give it a tap, and now scroll a bit down and right where you can see contracts, tap on the copy button right next to your contract address. And now, go open up Trust Wallet application. Go to the filter icon at the top right hand corner and in the search bar, simply paste in the contract address and you'll be able to find the token you are looking for. Enable the button right next to the token and tap Done at the top right and you'll be able to see your custom token added on Trust Wallet. That is how you have successfully added a custom token to Trust Wallet. You can repeat this process many times you want to add any kind of a token to your Trust Wallet. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.